Hi, I'm Kip from kiphakes.tv and today I am unboxing something. Now you might remember a few videos ago I got this, and this is the RODE Wireless Go, and it's a microphone pack and microphone, and I'm actually wearing it at the moment. See? It's just tucked down there. And so basically this is the microphone, and on the camera here is the receiver, so that's recording the audio. Now, it's brilliant, it works really well, and I've used it for several videos, but having this sort of tucked away is a little bit unwieldy. So what RODE have done to make it better is they've actually created a lavalier mic especially for this, and this is it. This is the RODE Lavalier GO. We're just going everywhere, which is ironic really. So yeah, what we'll do in this video is we will unbox this, and then we'll have a little go and see what the difference in sound quality is between the two. So this and this. So yeah, we'll get this out of the box, and we'll go from there. Now, straight off the bat, there isn't really much in this box, so yeah, it won't take that long. But let me just do the sticky, because that's quite stuck. There we go. Right, so I'll just remove, oh actually we don't need to remove that. So there we go, it's all in a bag. And what's in the bag? Oh, sweeties for the children. They're not sweeties, don't give them to your children. Okay. So this will be the clip for the microphone and your clothes. And then here is the microphone itself. We've got a strangulation hazard right here. Well, I'm not going to judge you if you're into that. Right, so let's get this out. I think I need to pop off the windshield. There we go. And that will come off up there. It's a bit tight. That's what she said. There we go. Lovely. Back on. It's a good fit. I like that. That looks really nice. It's really quite small. That's what she said. But it should do the job. That's what she said. Get this untwisted. We'll see how long the cable is. There we go. So let's say about 1.2 meters of cable there, and then it is terminated in a TRS, I think that's a TRS, yes. And then let's have a little look at the clip. Goes into there, so I guess threaded through that hole, the whole of it. Push this up. There we go. And then push the pop shield on. Look at that. That looks grand. Pleased with that. So now that's ready to rock and roll, what I'll do is we'll just do some sound tests with this one, and then I'll plug the Lavalier Go into this and we'll see if it sounds different. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, once I caught a fish alive. I'm just going to have a bit of tea. Very good. Okay, so let's switch up. Let me take this off. And I'm just going to thread it down here. Try not to flash anyone. Right, let's plug the mic in. So that's, yeah, that is your RODE all plugged in. I like that. Well, we'll just compare it now with what I recorded just before. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. Right, I'm just going to have a cup of tea. Very good. And I guess for completeness, we should test it with my studio mics, which are actually RODE NT1-As. So let's do that again. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. Right, I'm just going to have a cup of tea. Very good. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. Right, I'm just going to have a cup of tea. Very good. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. Right, I'm just going to have a cup of tea. Very good. Cool. Well, I mean, I can't hear how it all sounds until I've actually edited the video together, but I think that'll be all right. It certainly looks okay. The levels are good. Yeah, that's worked all right. So yeah, I think this looks a lot nicer than having the mic pack strapped onto me, and hopefully it sounds just as good, if not better. You might see a little bit more of this guy in future, or hear a little bit more. I don't know. Anyway, that is it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be back soon for some more vlogging fun. See ya!